Assalomu alaykum. Hurmatli muxlislar. Bugungi bajaradigan topshiriqlarimiz 1 va 3-unitdagi testlarni ishlashdan iborat bo'ladi. Xo'p, 1 va 3-unitni tamomladik. Endi shu uchala unit bo'yicha savol-javob uchala unit bo'yicha o'zi mana shu kitobning testi bor. Shu testni ishlaymiz. Demak, ekraningizlarga birinchi mashqni havola qilishdan oldin shuni aytib o'tib ketmoqchimanki, sizlar oldingi unitlarda izoh qismida qoldirilgan testni bajarib olinglar avval. Chunki hozir men buni birgalikda ishlab javoblarni aytib o'taman. Sizlar undan oldin bajarib o'zingizlar printerdan mana bu holatda chiqarib ishlab olgan bo'lsanglar, keyin birgalikda tekshiramiz va necha foizga o'rganganingizni aniqlab olamiz. Hozir men endi ishlashni boshlayman birgalikda. Endi tekshirib olamiz. Xo'p. Birinchi mashqimiz correct the mistakes. Ya'ni xatolarni to'g'rilang deyapti. Each sentence has a mistake. Find it and correct it. Shartini to'liq tushunib olish mashqda yarmini yechish bilan barobar degan matematikada ibora bor. Demak, shartini tushunib oling. Each sentence has a mistake. Has a mistake deyapti. Bittadan xatosi bor har bitta gapni. Find it and correct it. Uni topishimiz kerak va to'g'rilashimiz kerak. Va misol keltiryapti. Hello, I John. Nima bo'lish kerak bu? Hello, I am John bo'lish kerak. Ketdi. Ikkinchisiga o'tamiz. What's your name? Bu xato. Bu yerda nima bo'ladi? Marhamat, mana. What's your name? My name or Anna. O'rniga my name is Anna yoki my name is Anna bo'lish kerak. This Kathy Hentelman. O'rniga this is Kathy Hentelman bo'lish kerak. Is a book. O'rniga it's a book bo'lish kerak. Where you are from emas. Where are you from bo'ladi. am from Spain emas. I'm from Spain. He's a businessman. Her name is Carl. O'zi he's a businessman deb turibdi. Endi bu yerda nima bo'ladi? Her qiz bolaga nisbatan-ku. His name is Carl. What's she job? She's a doctor. O'rniga what's her job? She's a doctor. He is a teacher. He is a student. Emas, inkor shakli qanday yasalar edi? To be fe'lidan keyin not qo'yish orqali va qisqartirib mana bu shaklda mana. He isn't a teacher. He is a student. How old you emas? How old are you? Is she from London? Yes, she is. Emas. Yes, she is. Bu yerda qisqartirmaymiz. Qisqa javobda qisqartirmaymiz. Inkor holatda qisqartiramiz. Buni aytib o'tganmiz. Is he a shop assistant? No, he not emas. No, he isn't. Are you from France? No, I'm not bo'ladi. Qisqartirish I bilan birgalikda bo'ladi. To be fe'li qisqaradi. I'm not. His phone number is 772541. Emas. His phone number. He's a student, he's a teacher deganni ishlatamiz. Bu yerda uning telefon raqami. Bu shuning uchun his phone number bo'ladi. My teacher and I is 30 emas. My teacher and I are 30 bo'ladi. Keyingi savolimiz question and answers. Bir-biriga match qilishimiz kerak. What's your job? Buni belgilayapti. I'm a student. Xo'p, keyingisiga. Where is he from? Ikkinchisiga C bo'ladi. Glasgow in Scotland. Is she a shop assistant? No, she isn't. What's this in English? It's a camera. How old are you? I am 27. D bo'ladi. How are you? Qalaysiz? Fine, thanks. Are you married? Endi ko'plikda berayotgan bo'lishi mumkin bu. No, we aren't. What's his name? Mr. Brown bo'ladi. Keyingisiga mening, sening, uning, men, sen, mening, sening, u, ular yoki uning. Jenskiy, ya'ni qiz bola va o'g'il bolaga nisbatan. Shunisini qo'yamiz. My name is Karen. He is from Japan. His name is Hiro bo'ladi. Helen and Sally are in a band. They are on tour bo'ladi. What's your address bo'ladi. This is Linda. Her from emas. She is from Manchester bo'ladi. Where are the students? They are in London bo'ladi. Ular degan ma'noda. Mr. Riley is from Dublin. He is a businessman bo'ladi, chunki Mr. deyapti. Xo'p, endi davom etamiz keyingi mashg'ulotga. Look at the identity card and write the questions. Ya'ni ID kartaga qaraymizda savol yozamiz ularga. Masalan, her name is Emma Cartwright. What's her name? She's from Liverpool in England. Where is she from? She's a police officer. What's her job? She is 29. How old is she? What's her phone number? It's 0151 876 1290. Is she married? Yes, she is bo'ladi. Shu bilan tamom. Negatives keyingi mashg'ulimiz inkor gaplar. Write the sentence in the negative. Gaplarni inkor holatda yozib chiqamiz ekan. It's from Spain. It isn't from Spain. She's a nurse. She isn't a nurse. Mark is from Canada. Mark isn't from Canada. Julie is 29. Julie isn't 29. I'm married. I'm not married. Jim and Sue are students. Jim and Sue aren't students. They are in New York. They aren't in New York. Bo'ladi. Shu bilan bu mashqimiz ham tamom. Keyingisi plurals, ya'ni ko'plik. Write the sentences in the plural. Gaplarni ko'plik shaklida yozing. It's a book. They are books. I'm English. Nima bo'ladi? We are English. It's a sandwich. They are sandwiches. He's a student. They are students. She's from the United States. They are from the United States. I'm not on tour. We aren't on tour. Shu joyda qaranglar. We aren't on tour. Lekin 3-gapda they are sandwiches deyapmiz. Sandwichga ko'plik qo'shyapmiz. Nimaga we aren't on tour da tourga ko'plik qo'shmayapmiz deganda, bu yerda tourga nisbatan ko'plik tourga nisbatan emas, tour bizga nisbatan bo'lyapti. Ya'ni biz turda emasmiz. Shuning uchun bu yerga tourga qo'ymayapti. Sandwiches gapida ko'plik sandvichga nisbatan sandvichlar bo'lyapti. Shuning uchun unga qo'shdik. Is she a doctor'ni ko'pligi are they doctors bo'ladi. Xo'p, keyingisi raqamlar. Mana. Bunda menimcha qiyinchilik bo'lmagan. Buni qanday qilib tekshirsak bo'ladi? Mana doskada belgilab qo'ydim. Shuni ko'rib olinglar. Shular raqamlar. Xo'p, keyingi raqamlarimizni yozib chiqilishini ham bu doskada ko'rib olinglar, qanday yoziladi. Chunki aytilishida menimcha qiynalmasanglar kerak, lekin spellingda xato qilgan bo'lishingiz mumkin. Buni ko'rib olinglar mana. Qanday yoziladi? 11, 28, 20, 14, 30, 13, 15. Hop, keyingi mashqimiz vocabulary-ga oid bo'ladi. Xo'sh. Jobs alohida everyday things ni alohida ustunga yozishimiz kerak. Jobslar bular: doctor, nurse, student, teacher, businessman, bus driver, police officer, builder. Everyday things: photograph, sandwich, phone, television, camera, bag, computer, hamburger. Bular narsa buyumlar. Keyingisi write the countries. Harflarni o'rnini almashtirib qo'ygan. Biz undan davlat nomlarini topib yozishimiz kerak edi. Demak, birinchisiga Hungary, 2, 2, Japan, 3, Australia, 4, France, 5, Spain, 6, England, 7, Italy, 8, the United States, 9, Brazil. Keyingisiga translate. Translate the sentences into your language. Translate the ideas, not word by word. Ya'ni buni tarjima qilayotganingizda g'oyasi, ideyasini, fikrini tarjima qiling deyapti. Ya'ni so'zma-so'z qilib qo'ymang. Ekvivalentini toping o'zingizni tilingizdagina deyapti-da. What's your name? Ismingiz nima? My name is Carla. Mening ismim Carla. I'm Diego Rigo. Men Diego Rigoman. Nice to meet you. Tanishganimdan xursandman. Good morning. How are you today? Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisiz? I'm fine, thanks. Yaxshi, rahmat. Men bu yerda boya aytgandek fikrni tarjima qilyapman-da. Xayrli tong demaymiz-ku biz kichik ochon. Salomlashayotganda doim ertalab ham, obedda ham, kech paytda ham assalomu alaykum deymiz. 4. Bye, have a nice day. Xayr, kuning sayrli o'tsin. Thank you, rahmat, and you, sizniki ham. See you later. Ko'rishguncha xayr. What's this in English? Bu ingliz tilida qanday bo'ladi? Yoki bu ingliz tilida nima deyiladi? He is a bus driver. U avtobus haydovchisi. His name is John. Her name is Karen. Uning ismi John, uning ismi Karen. How old are you? Yoshingiz nechida? I'm 26. Men 26daman. Excuse me. Where is the station? Kechirasiz, vokzal qayerda? It's over there. Ana bu joyda. Look at the weather. It's awful. Ob-havoni qarang-a. Juda ham tund. Bizda shunaqa desak bo'ladi. Juda ham tund havo. Xo'p. Shuning bilan stop and check testimiz mana shu 3 ta unitning mavzularini umumlashtirilgan testimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. O'ylaymanki, bundan sizlar yuqori ballar to'plagansizlar. Endi keyingi darsimiz 4-unitdan bo'ladi. Ko'rishguncha xayr, salomat bo'ling.